Hi, my name is Kristen. I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a paper ice cream craft. So the supplies you'll be needing are brown, pink, red, and green construction paper, some tissue paper squares in any color you want, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a Sharpie, and a glue stick. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your brown construction paper and cut out a cone shape and then draw a crisscross pattern on it. So now you're going to take your pink construction paper and cut out an ice cream shape and then paste it on the cone. So now you're going to take your red and green construction paper and cut out a cherry to put on the top of the ice cream. So now you're going to take your tissue paper squares, crumple them into a ball, and paste them on the ice cream like sprinkles. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.